Actually start in time. That's nice. Welcome to 58. This was last year, and I like it because when I just need to take a photo and don't need to make something, I have the company name and our logo on one photo. So if you want photos to make photos and send them to me, you can win and be the next event at Breva's photo winner. Something. Yeah. Yeah. So already mentioned, today we're at Breva's, and this is Patrick. Breva's is our longtime partner sponsoring the event, and maybe Patrick, you want to come here and say some
Yes,
words?
I'm very happy to be able to host this C++ event this year as well, and really fun to see so many faces and old and new faces as well. Prevas is a consulting firm that mainly focus on embedded software in the field of C++ and C and sometimes Python as well, but mostly C and C++. So I just want to say thanks to Harald to be able to suit everybody here again, so many people, and good night. Good night. Good. Hope you're gonna have a good night this evening. Yeah, and learn something new. I will. I know.
Thanks, Patrick, and thanks, Breva's, sponsoring our meetup. Basically, we are treated from the very beginning, which is 9 years and soon 10 years. Okay, C++ news. We have WG21, the convener change from Herb Sutter to Guy Davison. Yeah, convener should change. We should probably have also a convener change in Sweden, because why should I always do the work? but it's a lot of work, and there are not many people who want to do it. We will see. If I don't expect a huge change, it's mostly administrative tasks. There is a Kona trip report, because there was the Kona meeting recently. There is not the unofficial on the C++ GitHub repository, that's not online yet. So this is the only one I found on the internet available. You can read what happened there. Just the paper about contracts, putting contracts into a white paper. This is the voting result. 33+% said yes, do it. So we are not talking about a loud minority. The rest said, yeah, let's keep it as it is. It would be interesting so to see not just the votes, but also which companies do these votes belong. Then that would be interesting to see. But anyhow, that's going on. We will come to this a little bit later. What happens in Sweden? Yeah, we had contracts as a topic, so I want to move on to other topics, frankly speaking. And the next regular will be on the 1st of December. So we will see. Sweden CPP news. Visit the homepage. The latest videos and blog posts are there. Always up to date. We have also our YouTube channel, where the talks will land if the recording works today. Also this talk. X and Blue Sky is now. I have now a reason to use this, because there are the conference talks go there. So on the Sweden CPP homepage, you see content creator and user group talks, and on X and Blue Sky you get all the conference from the conference YouTube channels. As soon as there is a video, very soon, just a few hours later, it will be online. And also about 100 C++ related Git repository are monitored. And whenever there is a release, there will be a notification on one of the services. So once a week, scrolling down to see what's new, at least some value in these services. Yeah, planning for 2026 is 22nd of January. This is confirmed. And then begin Mars, I think, will be then the next one. And since we plan for 2026, here is the call for papers. So we need speakers, because otherwise without speakers, no events. I mean, this is self-evident. So if you want to keep on having these nice evenings, make a submission what you want to talk about. That's the easiest way to continue. And then try evenings like this. Because you know how it is. If everybody wants to have evenings, but nobody wants to participate, the outcome will not be the best. So please send me whatever you want to talk about. 5 minutes up to 45 minutes, I think, is good. Tools, war stories, book reviews, the craziest code you have ever seen, whatever. Everybody has something to tell. So sometimes it's just to find the story. Yeah, the usual quiz I have today, I have a little bit something different, what I usually don't do. But what does this program return? And if you can also explain why, then probably you could get 2 Checkpoints licenses. But can anyone tell me what this program does return? Does it return at all something?
I would say one.
Yeah. You need a Checkpoints license, I know. But this doesn't free you from your talk, okay, for next year. So we still expect the talk. Yeah, it's one, and this is a const char, which is to a pointer, to a bool, to an integer at the end with the plus operator, and then it's returned, which is nothing I find very exciting, but we have some things in the language, and all the credits to this old blog post I found. So I copied this from there. Yeah, that's our language. And that's already the intro for today. I will now continue with a talk, Autotalk C++. And then we have the break, and then we have Felipe coming from Lund to Stockholm to present also a talk for us, which is great. So cool. Let's continue with the next talk. And thanks for being here.